Hi, and welcome. My name is Heidi Gamel, the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. I am a curator of a Nest Pretty lifestyle, which means making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And welcome to my closet. I have been in the process of curating a 10-piece wardrobe for the summer season here in Florida, and I'm making excellent progress. I'd like to think I'm done. But I learn something new every day. Today was a really rainy day, and I grabbed a kind of like a shirt from another capsule, just afraid that I would be cold. It was way too warm. So I'm learning new stuff every day. I would like to share with you what is in the boxes that are normally on my shelf. Someone asked me last week, and so I'm here to share with you. These boxes are foldable and they're lightweight and they have a handle, so they're very easy for me to pull off the shelf if I need them. So I'm very strategic about what I put in there. I don't put things in there that I use every day, because I don't want to be pulling stuff down every day. I also don't put things in here that I want to forget about because what I find is if I don't see it hanging here, I forget that I own it. And so then I don't wear it. So then it's taking up space. And what's the point? Okay, so number one is a box that is labeled shorts. And I'm just going to go on the record and say I want to change my labels. So it's going to be done by next week. So shorts is empty because I decided to hang my shorts for the summer season. I only have 3 pairs. I have 2 here and the others in the wash. And so I have them hanging because for summer, I'm definitely going to wear them. However, in the winter time in Florida, I probably won't wear them. So I'll put them back in the box labeled shorts. Now, I have a box labeled bathing suits, so that's pretty easy, and I like to keep it on top because that is one that I will get into quite often. I like to go to the pool. So I'm going to put that one on top. So I have another one called Tiny Tees, and so we're talking little tank tops. I also ended up putting in here out of season pajamas. The more we have to look at and decide, the more confusion that we put in our lives. And so even something as simple as pajamas, I have it whittled down to what I use for the season, and the rest I put in this little box, and I have it up above. That one's called Tiny Tees, and I'm going to put bathing suits on top of that because I like to put my bathing suit on. And that's easy for me to get at, easy to pull down. Of course, if the box is overflowing, then that's not going to be a good thing. So I know these last 3 I did recently go through. This one is called jeans, and I have 2 pairs in here. Now, what I'm finding is that I don't like wearing jeans in Florida. However, I do travel sometimes, and so these are some really nice jeans that fit me really well. And even though, it doesn't fit in with the season, they're just kind of out of the way. I'm viewing those as extras because it's not something I'm going to wear every day. Now, this is empty, more or less. I have a bag in here of jewelry that I need to give away. Because, okay, let me just show you. Because, I don't know, like a year ago, I got rid of my jewelry armoire. And then I decided I'm only going to wear pearl earrings. And then I decided to hang the rest of my necklaces. So what is left are some items that I need to decide on. It's a little bag like this. And I have homework already, so I'll save that for another time. But it's out of the way and in an empty box, unlabeled. And the last one is my box for dirty work. And I'm just talking like if I end up painting a room or doing some landscaping or helping with some construction or whatever. Dirty work. I have a pair of jeans or a pair of pants that fit me really well. I have a lovely shirt that I love, but I got bleach on it. And then I have a couple of shirts with writing on it, which I normally wouldn't wear. And I have a jacket because I'm always cold. So, but it's not a jacket that I want to wear. It's not a good jacket anymore, but it's cute still. And if I'm working dirty work and need a jacket, then I have that. I do believe I also have a pair of flip-flops in there for dirty work. So that's that. I have a dresser in the guest room for my workout clothes. It's just one drawer. It's like this big. And then I have a drawer for my personals. And that's it. So I thought I would share that with you because someone was asking, and I mean, it's a good idea to keep going through things, and if you're not using it. But the purpose and the point and the idea of me curating a 10-piece wardrobe, number one, it's addicting. And number two, it's just part of the sequence of the path that I've been on. It started with a capsule wardrobe, and I have just been pushing the envelope more and more. And I have to say that I just get more and more enthusiastic about my closet, about my wardrobe. I love getting dressed in the morning. I feel no angst. I feel no decision fatigue. All the decisions have already been made. I'm comfortable with them. I'm going to give you one caveat though. I'm going to give you something. I'm pretty sure that all of my extravagances and, fun evenings are catching up with me during this season of staying at home. So I'm probably like 8 pounds above where I should be. And that's when a 10-piece wardrobe can get very dangerous. But also very motivating. So I find myself gravitating toward a couple of pieces that are really comfortable in view of my current situation. And I also am highly motivated to keep exercising and being very careful about my extravagances. But it's really a beautiful thing to keep yourself in check very easily. So that's all I wanted to share. This Friday, we are coming up toward the end of the book club. It's Friday at 7 p.m. and we are already on the nesting part of Nest Pretty. We'll talk about cleaning, organizing, and maybe systems as well. So I would love for you to join. And the book club, I've been having so much fun. If you have any questions about a 10-piece wardrobe, raise your hand, ask away. I'd love to share with you. I know last week I posted in another group what I wore all week. And someone says, you have more than 10 pieces. You know what? There's no rules. It's okay. Technically, I think I have 11. It's okay. But so many things that maybe, like the sweaters, those are all extras, which is fantastic. And then I have a couple of t-shirts in here that are all season, but I view them as extras because they're almost like, underwear. Things that we always need. And those don't count toward the 10 pieces. So that's what I have to say. I purchased a few organizing items for my closet. It didn't arrive yet, but I'm anticipating it, very excited. It's basically going to be something to hold my flip-flops so that they look clean and organized and they don't collect dust. Not that they do, because I wear them all the time. For the record, my husband was looking at my closet and he's like, "Oh, look at those high heel shoes that you haven't worn in like 2 years." These are special times. Generally, the rule that I like to use is if you haven't worn something in a year or a season, really, that you should get rid of it, because there's a reason you're not wearing it. And if you don't love it, if it doesn't fit, if you haven't worn it, then you should just get rid of it. But the high heels, I only have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. They're just parked for a future time. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. I hope that you are inspired to try a 10-piece wardrobe. If you're like, how do I even start that? I got you. Just raise your hand. Just ask me and I will tell you. I hope you all have a fantastic evening, and I hope you love your closet as much as I love my closet. Because here's the thing, you have to get dressed every day. You might as well enjoy it. Have a great evening. Bye.